Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're trying to recover your hacked Facebook account and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just jump right in and dive into the solutions. Open up a browser for that, and if you're trying to recover, you can go to the Facebook recovery page. So you can directly type in facebook.com slash hacked and hit enter. Once you do so, you will be taken to the Facebook recovery page right here. So you just need to look out for this option of next and tap on it and walk through the process of recovery. And once you are here, what you need to do is you need to provide in certain details. So if you're trying to access your Facebook account without using any email, password, and phone number, it is not possible. You need at least one of those, either your email, either your phone number, etc. And just go over and enter it up. So you can just go over and enter up your mobile number that you may remember. If you do not remember your mobile number, you can tap on this option called search by email instead, and then provide in your email address instead. Once you have provided in your email address, you just need to go ahead and follow the prompts. Double check that you have the number that you have entered and the email address that you have entered is correct, and try including the country code as well. And once you do so, you can just go over and look out for this option, and you may be asked to provide in a new contact information. The contact information you provide must not have been used for Facebook account before. And then you may just go over and follow the prompts to confirm that your accounts you're trying to recover belongs to you. And once you have successfully passed all the security checks, just follow the instructions to reset your password and try to choose something that is easy for you to remember but hard for other people to guess, and just go over and try accessing it that way, and that is the workaround you can try out. Apart from that, if you do not remember any email or password, you can even uh, just try convincing Facebook. They should probably respond to it, but there is likely a low chance for that. So you just need to make sure you have one of those, and you should be able to recover your hacked Facebook account once back again. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up that process for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.